Here we have an Ingersoll Ram 40 horsepower rotary screw air compressor. We got it hooked up to 220 volt 3-phase power, and we're going to run it for you and show you that it works. Before we run it, we're going to show you the hours. There's the hours right there. I believe that's one of them. Yeah, so that 42,000 hours, that was your total hours right there. That's your total hours. The other one is that's your run hours or load hours, sorry. Okay, so we'll go ahead and start it here.